What if our most trusted tech giant handed the keys to the Pentagon system directly to engineers working in China? What if those systems contain military operations data that could cause, quote, catastrophic adverse effects, end quote, if compromised? What if the people supposed to watch these Chinese engineers were former military making $18 an hour with almost zero coding experience? This isn't some Hollywood thriller. This actually happened for nearly a decade and nobody in our government even knew about it. Today I'm exposing some of the shocking details about the Chinese engineers infiltrating America's top secret defense software through Microsoft's Digital Escort system. Let's dive into the details of this today. All right, so the Department of Defense just discovered that Microsoft has been using Chinese engineers to maintain Pentagon cloud systems for over 10 years, and they tried to hide it in their official security filings. After a long time building secure systems, I can tell you that this is a big security scandal and one of the biggest I've ever seen. We're going to break down today what exactly happened and why it should terrify every single American. Now, as always, make sure you leave a comment down below because I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Comments are honestly one of my favorite things and the best compliment you can give me. So let's jump over to some of these articles here today. So this was a breaking post on X here. And so we can see Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth announced full-scale investigation into Microsoft's use of Chinese Communist Party-linked engineers to work on U.S. military and Pentagon cloud systems. I can't believe this was happening. It's over. We're requiring a third-party audit of Microsoft's Digital Escort Program, including the code and the submissions by Chinese nationals. This audit will be free of charge to the U.S. taxpayers. Did they put anything in the code that we didn't know about? We're going to find out. And so he's pretty upset. And there's a lot of people down here in the comments, and this one here says, Microsoft's reliance on China-based engineers for Pentagon cloud systems is a glaring security failure. The Digital Escort Program, outsourcing sensitive defense maintenance to foreign nationals under minimal U.S. supervision, exposes critical infrastructure to espionage risk. $18 per hour for escorts with limited technical skills to police advanced engineers, that's not oversight, it's negligence. Hegseth audit is overdue. Defense contractors must prioritize American expertise, not exploit global labor to cut costs. National security isn't a line item. So, and this isn't just like on X, right? This is U.S. lawmakers press for details of Pentagon's use of Chinese engineers. And as they press further and further, this was actually back in July, so this was over a month ago. And as they pressed into this, they found more and more, right? So it turns out that Microsoft, and it looks like my browser just froze here. But it looks like Microsoft didn't disclose a lot of this information here. Sorry, Microsoft failed to disclose key details about use of Chinese-based engineers in U.S. defense work. The tech giant is required to regularly provide U.S. officials with its plan for keeping government data safe from hacking. Yet a copy of Microsoft's security plan obtained by ProPublica makes no reference to the company's Chinese-based operations. So ProPublica here went through all of the public filings of this, right? The document bellies Microsoft's repeated assertions that it disclosed the arrangements with the federal government, showing exactly what was left out as it sold its security plans to the Defense Department.
Hi, I'm Spencer, a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and 25 years in software development, I've transformed technology teams and products for businesses just like yours. As your fractional CTO, you get the strategic guidance of a seasoned technology executive without the full-time commitment, perfect for companies ready to leverage cutting-edge technology without expanding headcount. My team at Startup Hack has already built advanced AI agents for small and medium businesses, automating complex workflows and delivering advanced ROI to human workflows. We specialize in creating custom software that connects your systems into a single coherent technology ecosystem. Our development approach focuses on tangible business outcomes. For one client, we developed AI-powered workflows that cut days off of human processes. For another company, by connecting multiple systems, we reduced processing time to increase their ROI by over 75%. We don't just write code, we architect solutions that scale. Whether you need cloud system architecture, data integration between legacy systems, or custom AI agents that automate your unique business processes, my team delivers results that exceed your expectations. Having led technology for a lot of companies and launched 7 successful brands of my own, I bring battle-tested expertise to your business challenges. Our specialty is turning technological complexity into business advantage. So if you're ready to harness the power of AI and custom software to drive your business forward, let's connect. Together, we'll build technology that doesn't just solve today's problems, it positions you for tomorrow's opportunities. Technology leadership, decades of experience, AI powered. Reach out today and we can help you. Check out startuphack.com/Spencer.